funnel para diri maano para diri makaran ang liquid na atong ginsusunod dito ang bottle. That is the uses of funnel. So number 5 we have grater. Can you please read this, Costa?
Graters are used to grate, shred, slice, and separate vegetables such as carrots, cabbage, and cheese.
So, wala kita example nga di hand grater. So, added aton instructional material which is the PPT. So, amin yan graters. Ang pag-grate hand aton cheese. So, grater are used to grate, shred, slice, and separate vegetables such as carrots, cabbage, and cheese. So, nagamit kita yung grater for vegetables like carrots kuno, cabbage, and cheese. Kung nagamit ko kita yung cheese, mas mabay kasi ang texture pag nagamit kita yung graters. Kung may na kasi iba ka, ikukuan na yan, gagamitan lang yan knife. So, it is better to use graters to grate our cheese. And also our carrots and cabbage. So, number 6, we have the kitchen shears.
They are practical for opening food packages, cutting tapes or string, or simple remove labels or tags from items.
So, kitchen shears or gunting. So, may nakita nila gunting at bahay nila pan-arap na gunting. So, amin ating gunting. So, kitchen shears ko no, they are practical for opening food package, cutting types or string, or simple remove labels or tags from item. Usually, pag nagamit kita hinkuan, gunting, mas madali ang pag-cut ang aton pinaka-item kung nagamit kita gunting. Diri nga gagamitan na natin aton nipon para lang makuha ng aton maabrihan lang ang pinaka-item. So, it's better to use
kitchen stick, kitchen shears.
Kitchen shears. So, ako ito yan. So, number 7, we have the serving spoon. Can you please read this?
A small shallow bowl and a handle used in preparing, serving, or eating food.
So, serving spoon are small shallow bowl and a handle used in preparing, serving, or eating food. So, pag nagsiserve kita yung mga volume size of food, it is better to use serving spoon kay mas madali. Ano na, repetitive example mo. Kita example. So, this is the serving spoon. It is better to use ko na serving spoon para mas dako nga volume ang ato na si-serve kantuhan plato.
Like for example,
pag
we are in catering.
We are in catering.
Gusto natin bumawin ka mo, diri na kailangan sunod-sugat.
Yeah. Oh, that's one example, catering. It is better to use serving spoon kay mas dako nga volume ang iya na si-serve dito ang aton. Dito ang aton pinaka.
Oo, para dapat yung na-spoon
Pero nga nagbibalik balik kasi
balik na.
So, ganun yung agbuti ay...
That's what we call serving spoon.
So, since we don't have instructional material on the board, I have there in our PPT. So, let's continue. So, kitchen tools, we have the serving tongs. So, this is the serving tongs. Tongs. So, are used to grab and transfer food item, poultry, or meat portion to a serving platter, hot dipper, fryer, and plate. They give you a better grip, especially when used with a deep fryer or a large stock pot or at the barbecue. So, nagamit kita yung serving
Usually,
tong for to grab an ato mga...
Usually, sir, it's not only for a barbecue.
Yeah,
like for example,
we have different
kinds. Chicken. You also use
pag adding atong example dili, there are yung different kinds of our serving spoon. Serving tongs. So, nagamit kita serving tongs to grab and food to transfer dito ang atong plate. So, that is the uses of our serving tong. Number 9, we have the spoon. Can you please read?
Spoon are solid slotted or perforated, which are made of stainless steel or plastic. These solid ones are used to spoon liquid over food and to lift food, including the liquid, out of the pot. What's
So
this?
spoons kuno are solid, slatted, or perforated, which are made of stainless steel or plastic. The solid ones are used to spoon liquid over food and to lift food, including the liquid out of the pot. So we use spoons to para kunohan na aton mga liquid para pag kuan niya pag ano. So we have the whisk. So can you please read this pasta?
Whisk are used for blending, mixing, beating eggs or butter, and for blending gravies, sauces,
Sauces.
and soaps. The beaters are made of black steel piano wires which are twisted together to form the
So number 2, we have the whisk. Are used for blending, mixing, whipping eggs or butter, and for blending gravies, sauces, and soup. The batter are made of loop steel piano wires which are twisted together to form the handle. So we are using whisk para mas madali ang pag-blend ang aton mga like magpalagin kita yung sauce, like gravies, or mga flour na aton bubutan ng liquid. Mas madali ang pag-blend ang aton pinaka ginihimo na cake. So we are using whisk to to fast blend. So that's the uses of whisk. So number 11, so let's proceed to our measuring tools na. So we have the measuring cups for liquid ingredients. So measuring cup for liquid ingredients is commonly made of heat-proof glass and transparent so that the liquid can be seen. So ang akong nili example ang liquid ingredients, may nakita ang mga dry ingredients. So atong ginagamit like and mga kuan nga ni may 1/4, 1 cup. So ano ya, ang natanan na naali na yan hindi bagay yan pinaka
Usaan
pitchil.
lang.
Usaan lang yan.
Tapos may mga line.
Yeah. Ami to iyapig mas madali ang pag measure ang aton mga liquid kung may ada kita ini. Diri nga nagkukan. Kay iba kasi ang kasukulan liquid measuring kontra ang aton dry ingredients, iba ang sukul. It is better to use kung nagamit tayo measuring liquid ingredients. So, let's proceed to our kinds of knives according to use. So, we have the kitchen knives, often referred to as cook or chef tools, used for all types of kitchen tasks such as peeling an onions, slicing carrots, carving rust of turkey, etc. So, we are using knife para mas madali ang aton pag-peel ang aton onions and sa aton mga carrots.
Gagamit
Yes,
knives.
we are, damo kasi ito yung mga knives, may the French knives, etc. Mga sa ganito nga knives. So, ang akong dili buta nga example, ang kitchen knives lang kay, usually, wala man kita din ng mga French knives. So, amo lang ako din butang dilihan, ako instructional materials. So, we are using kitchen knives para mas madali ang pag-peel. Actually, nagamit kita lot peeler para mas madali ang pagpilan aton onions, and aton mga vegetables like carrots, or any kinds that have, may ano yung pinaka, ano tawag ito? Ang tawag ito nga, panit, kuan, tawag ito? Basta panitin aton vegetables, mas madali ang iya pag-peel. That's why we are using kitchen knives. Oh, sorry, please. So, adina, vegetables peeler. It is used to scrape vegetables such as carrots and potatoes and to peel fruits. The best ones are made of stainless steel with sharp double blade that swells. So, amo na ini ang vegetable peeler. So, nagamit kita ini para pagpilan aton mga vegetables. I know na maaram na kamo ini kung paano yung gamiton. So, di ko na yan i-explain. So, let's proceed to our equipment. So, wali na kita equipment. Tapos na kita kitchen tools. Wali na kita aton equipment. So, number 1, we have the refrigerator or freezer. So, can you please read, Ms. Fernandez?
Refrigerator or freezers are necessary bacterial infections from foods. Most refrigerators have a special compartment for meat, fruits, and vegetables to keep the moisture contained at each type of food. But Butter compartment, hold butter separately to prevent food odors from spoiling its flavor. Basically, refrigerator or freezer is an insulated box equipment with refrigeration unit and a control to maintain the proper inside temperature for food storage.
So from the word storage, so an aton mga food gini-storage naton nga to an aton refrigerator para maging fresh lang awan iya an aton food. So usually pag may kita mga food, aton food, it is paano yan, good for 4 hours. Kung maglapos yan 4 hours, may din na kasi itong mga bacteria na added aton food. That's why nagamit kita ng refrigerator para ma-refresh an aton food. Gan may store hiya. Kasi mga bacteria, dali na dumaka pintuhan.
To maintain
Oo.
freshness.
Oo, to maintain freshness.
Maintain fresh.
Aman uses an aton refrigerator. Oo, madali mabalok ang mga pagkaon. That's the uses of refrigerator. So, number 2, we have the blenders. Are used to chop, blend, mix, whip, pure, grate, and liquefy all kinds of food. A blender is a very useful appliance. They vary in amount of power or voltage or wattage. So, ang gamit naman ang aton blender, pag damo na yung volume, like ang mga vegetables, pag damo yung volume na imo igko kanya, ipafine, it is better to use mixer na lang para mas pino ang vegetables. Kaysa naman magmano-mano kita hanay na madako ang oras, makakonsume kita ang oras para ang pagpino. So, this better na lang kung mag-use kita ng aton blender para mas madali ang pagpino ang aton mga vegetables or any kinds of food na kailangan niya i-blend. So, let's proceed to our